Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to replace the reel blade on your trimming system. This guide will work for all of our hybrid trimmers. For the Gladiator and 3.0 trimmers, we suggest to have a second person to assist you with the maintenance. You will need the toolkit provided with your trimmer, a rubber mallet, a flathead screwdriver, a squared ruler, a wood pallet or surface that allows you to safely keep the trimmer in a vertical position. Start by unplugging your trimmer. Remove the top cover, upper frame, and tumbler. Loosen the set screws holding the bed bar blades, but don't remove them. Remove the screws holding the blade adjusters. You should now be able to safely remove the blade. Next, we will remove the magnet bar, belt, and bearing covers. Using the flathead screwdriver, apply pressure between the belt to remove it from the pulley grooves. Loosen the set screws on the pulleys. Pull the pulley towards you to remove it from the shaft. Now safely place your trimmer vertically on a wood pallet or workbench, the bearing side facing up. Make sure the trimmer is steady. Unscrew the 3 bolts holding the side panel on each corner. We can now remove the side panel by pulling it off of the trimmer. It might require some wiggling for the bearing to come off of the reel blade. Safely grab the reel blade and pull it off of the trimmer. Install the new reel blade with the shaft facing down. We can now start reassembling your trimmer. Align the side panel with the tabs on the trimmer, as well as with the reel blade shaft. Make sure each tab is correctly inserted inside of its respective hole. With the rubber mallet, tap across the side panel to place it into its final position. Now tighten the 3 screws on each corner of the side panel. Reinstall the bearing cover. Bring the trimmer back on its wheels or feet. Reinstall the pulley and make sure you correctly align the pulleys before installing the belt. You can watch our guide, How to Replace the Pulley, for more information. Reinstall the belt and belt cover. You can watch our guide, How to Replace the Belt. Now you will need to reinstall the magnet bar. Finally, tap on top of the bar to bring it down against the trimmer. Make sure the magnet bar doesn't wiggle. Carefully reinstall the blade and lock the blade adjusters with the screws on each side of the trimmer and lock in place with the blade set screws. You might need to adjust the blade. Please watch our guide, Adjusting the Blade, for more information. Check if the bed bar blade doesn't get caught on the reel blade by manually spinning the reel blade. Finish your installation by placing the tumbler back, upper frame, and top cover. If any of these steps do not work, do not turn on the machine. Call tech support at 604-458-0341.